Hi, this is Jenny Liu, and we're going to go over Yang Style Tai Chi, 37 form, the first 4 moves. And when you're ready, you're going to get into preparation stance. So that is with your feet in V stance, softly bend your knees. And from there, drop your tailbone a little bit, putting your mind in your lower dantian, so 2 inches below your navel, about third way in. Keeping your spine upright. From there, imagine there's an energetic line connecting the top of your head, your crown chakra, all the way up to the universe. So face relaxed. And you're going to lightly touch the tip of your tongue against the back of the upper teeth. Great. Shoulders relaxed. Arms naturally just dangling slightly apart from your torso. And connecting to the earth through the balls of your feet. And we will take 3 Tai Chi breathings, so all the way to your lower abdomen. Breathing in, belly expands. Breathing out, condensing healing energy, very comfortable. Soft, relaxed face. And slowly sinking your weight to your right leg. So pour the weight into the right leg. Turn the hips slightly to the right side so you can start to pick up the left foot. And very carefully rest your left foot down on the ground with that foot toes pointing forward. And then pour the weight. As you adjust your hips so then they're facing forward, you can adjust your right foot. So toes pointing forward, both feet parallel. Next move, beginning. So gently turn the palms facing back. Breathing in, palms float up. Exhale, pressing energy to your lower abdomen. We will do a few more times just so for you to feel. This is a very meditative movement. So you're not just using your arm strength. The power actually comes from your feet. I will turn to the side, that way you can see. So let the energy rise from the balls of your feet along the legs, lower abdomen, chest. When the energy flows up, your arms are going to get into this very soft, flowing circular motion. Shoulders, elbows, wrists, hands, fingers relaxed. Exhale, pressing energy down to your lower dantian. One more right here. Inhale. Exhale. The whole body moves together. Shift your weight to your left leg. We're going to go into ward off left. So hold the ball on the right side first. Shift the weight to the right leg. Pick up the left foot. Box step to the left corner. As you drop the heel down, you shift your weight forward and pivot the right heel, the back foot. Pelvis facing forward. And when you're arriving at this spot, your left hand is holding this semicircle space in front of you, palm about chest level, shoulders relaxed, and your right hand is right by your hip, palm facing down. And we shift the weight to the left leg, hold the ball on the left. And from here, box step to the right side, heel down with the right foot. As you move, pivot the left heel, hip joints facing your right side. And for this one, your right arm is holding this semicircle space, and then your left hand has this space right here. So palms facing each other, but holding a space. Upper body upright. And slowly close, breathing in, breathing out. Energy sink to your lower dantian. Good job.